domain, and second is bacteria domain. It includes true bacteria. It includes true bacteria. As you know that bacteria, there is lacking of true nucleus. Instead of true nucleus, incipient or primitive or diffuse nucleus is found. So some important characters of bacteria are there is lacking of true nucleus. Membrane bound cell organelles like mitochondria, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum are absent. Membrane bound cell organelles mitochondria, Golgi body, endoplasmic reticulum are absent. Cell wall is made up of cell chitin. Is made up of one special type of polypeptide called peptidoglycan. Peptidoglycan. Glycogen is reserve food material. S ribosomes are found. 70S ribosome is found. So these characters are found in bacteria domain, is true bacteria. In this way, one was archibacteria or archidomain. Second is bacteria, means true bacteria. Both are included in kingdom Monera according to Whittaker. But according to Carl Hughes, both are included in different two domain. And third is eukarya domain. According to five kingdom, I have already told you previously, kingdom Monera is prokaryotic and rest are eukaryotic. So according to Carl Hughes, two domain, that is archidomain and bacteria domain, are included in prokaryotes. Except these, all organisms of the world are included in kingdom Protista, kingdom fungi, kingdom plantae, kingdom animalia according to Whitaker. But these all are included in eukarya domain according to three domain of life or three domain system of classification. So in this way, eukarya domain includes here it includes kingdom Monera, kingdom Protista, kingdom Protista, kingdom fungi, kingdom plantae, and kingdom animalia. They all have eukaryotic cell. They all have eukaryotic cell. Means they all have true nucleus. But except it, both are prokaryotic. Means there is lacking of true nucleus. So in place of true nucleus, incipient, diffuse or primitive nucleus is found. As you know that kingdom Protista includes unicellular eukaryotic organism. Kingdom fungi, it includes fungi. There is a lacking of chlorophyll. So due to lacking of chlorophyll, fungi are heterotrophic. It may be parasites, saprophytes, and symbiotic. Kingdom Plantae, the plant body, they have cell wall. Important structure, cell wall. They have chlorophyll. Due to presence of chlorophyll, they are able to synthesize their food material themselves. And kingdom Animalia, here cell structure, there is lacking of cell wall or chlorophyll are absent. So this is why members of this kingdom depends upon another organism for taking food. So they are heterotrophs. In this way, today we have read three domain of life, means three domain system. It was given by Carl Wood. So in 1990, so it is latest classification. According to him, all organisms are divided into three domains. One domain is Archaea, that includes Archaebacteria. Archaebacteria are again divided into methanogens, halophiles, and thermoacidophiles. All these are found in adverse condition. Second is a bacteria domain. It is called true bacteria. It has many characters. I have already told you previously. There is lacking of true nucleus, but they have cell wall made up of peptidoglycogen. Reserve food material is glycogen. 70S ribosomes is found, and there is lacking of membrane bound nucleus. Both are included in prokaryotes. And third domain is eukarya domain. It includes kingdom Protista, kingdom fungi, kingdom Plantae, and kingdom Melia. Thank you.